10 ways to make your kitchen more modern one. White cabinetry. White cabinetry is one of the easiest ways to create a clean, modern look. It feels bright, timeless, and works with almost any style. Olivia Bennett, an interior designer at Haven & Comer Design, says, "It's easy to understand why. White adds a timeless and versatile feel to the kitchen. And if you're working with a smaller space, it gets even better." She adds that white cabinets can help the kitchen feel bigger and more open. 2. Pendant lighting. Modern kitchens don't just use lighting, they feature it. Pendant lights add depth and style while helping define the space. Daniel Reeves, an interior designer at Studio Arc Design, calls it an important part of creating a layered lighting aesthetic. 3. Green cabinetry. If you want something bold but still natural, green cabinetry is a strong choice. It brings warmth and a connection to nature, especially when paired with wood accents or brass hardware. Green is becoming the new neutral in kitchen design. 4. Gold accents. Gold accents instantly elevate a kitchen. Whether it's cabinet handles, faucets, or lighting, they add warmth and a touch of luxury. Polished gold works especially well in sleek, modern spaces. Just make sure your finishes stay cohesive. 5. Skip upper cabinets. Removing upper cabinets can completely open up your kitchen. It creates a clean, airy feel and gives you more visual space. Marcus Lee, Chief of Design at Revive Home Studio, explains that you can maintain function by using smart storage solutions like deep drawers and thoughtful lower cabinetry. 6. All-white kitchen. All-white kitchens are still going strong, but the key is layering. Mix different shades of white, textures, and materials to avoid a flat look. Emma Collins, founder at Collins Interior Atelier, says, "Using tonal variation keeps the space bright while adding depth and interest." 7. Open wood shelving. Open wood shelving adds both style and practicality. It lets you display your favorite kitchen items while keeping them within easy reach. It also introduces warmth, balancing out the clean lines of a modern kitchen. It's a design choice often described by designers as the perfect clean slate. 8. Full wall backsplash. Taking your backsplash all the way up the wall creates a seamless, modern look. It removes visual breaks and helps your kitchen feel taller and more refined. Just be mindful of the pattern so it doesn't overpower your cabinetry. 9. Gray herringbone backsplash. If you prefer something more subtle, a gray herringbone backsplash adds texture and movement without stealing the spotlight. It's a simple way to bring in visual interest while keeping the overall look balanced. 10. Modern coastal style. Modern coastal design blends minimalism with a relaxed, beach-inspired feel. It leans on weathered wood, soft blue and white tones, and natural textures to create that breezy atmosphere. Sophia Hartman, the lead interior designer and co-founder at Urban Nest Interiors, describes it as a perfect balance of clean simplicity and coastal charm. To really bring this look to life, she recommends leaning into details. Think rope textures, shell accents, and subtle beach-inspired decor. These small elements add depth and texture, turning a simple kitchen into a space that feels calm, airy, and effortlessly coastal. Which one would you try in your kitchen?